Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add custom data attributes to any element in Visual Composer. Extra data attributes are a way to store additional information on an HTML element, so I'll show you an example using the area label attribute to improve the accessibility of your website. So let's open up a page with Visual Composer and add a single image. Now click on the Advanced tab, and here you'll see the option to add custom data attributes. For this image, we can add the area label, laptop image with hands, for example. Now, if we view and inspect the image, it will be clear what it is right here. You can add multiple extra data attributes here. Just hit space and add as many as you want. And that's it for our quick tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.